Can I ask you a question? Do you hate your miserable, stupid 9 to 5 day job? Isn't that beep, beep, beep sound of the alarm clock so annoying? And that horrible daily commute with all those terrible drivers is awful, isn't it? And you have to go through that every day just to do something you despise. And worse yet, you feel overworked and underpaid. And then don't forget that terrible boss who can't stop nagging at you all day. So I ask you, do you absolutely dread going to work every day? Do you try to avoid your boss at all costs? Are you always wishing that the day was over so you can go home? Do you have dreams of staying home and working for yourself instead? If you could stay home and get paid for it, there would be no more alarm clocks, no more busy commutes with bad drivers, and best yet, no more lousy bosses. If you're looking for a way to make money online, look no further, my future entrepreneur, because finally, you can learn how to turn your spare time into a profitable online business, even during the current pandemic. We will teach you how to build your own business, even if you're entirely new and have never made $1 online. You don't need to be technical in any way. You don't need any internet skills to do this, and you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. Just a willingness to learn and implement what we teach you. It really is that simple. So join with us today. It's time to kick your job to the curb, because 9 to 5 jobs really suck.